If you own a home in Airdrie right now, you might quietly wonder, is our housing market starting to cool in 2026? And today I want to answer it clearly and honestly. My name is Kevin Baldwin. I've been selling real estate across Alberta for over 25 years. I've completed more than 1,700 transactions and seen it all: hot markets, balanced markets, and sharp corrections. So when people ask me, Kevin, is Airdrie cooling off? I don't reach for the headlines or hype. I look at data. I watch patterns and I pay attention to what's happening on the ground every day. And here's the truth: Airdrie's housing market isn't crashing, it's shifting. A cooling market doesn't mean collapse, it means pace. Homes are still selling, just not at the frantic speed we saw in the recent years. Buyers are taking their time, asking questions, and negotiating again. From 2021 through 2024, sellers had all the leverage. Homes sold in days, often with multiple offers or bidding wars. Buyers were rushing, waiving inspections or conditions just to compete. Today, that heat has eased. Buyers are cautious, strategic, which is actually healthy for everyone. The numbers back it up. Sales remain solid, especially in the entry and mid-range price brackets. But higher-end homes above roughly 700,000 are taking longer to sell. We're seeing modest increase in days on the market. That's one of the first signs of cooling, not declining, just more balance. Interest rates have also played a significant role. Borrowing costs remain higher than they were a few years ago, so affordability is top of mind. Families still love Airdrie for its lifestyle, space, and value compared to Calgary, but they're watching their budgets very carefully. All of this means leverage is shifting from fewer years. Supply was so tight that sellers could name their price. Now inventory has started to build, and that gives buyers a bit more control. Instead of rushing into offers, buyers compare homes and negotiate again. The change can feel uncomfortable for sellers used to the frenzy, but in truth, it's returned to a normal, healthier rhythm. If you're selling a home in Airdrie this year, strategy is everything. In a cooling market, price too high and your listing sits. The longer it lingers, the more buyers wonder what's wrong with it, and the harder it becomes to reignite interest. The solution isn't slashing price, it's smart positioning. Use accurate comparables, highlight value through the presentation, strong photos, a clean move-in ready impressions. The honest communication. The homes that sell fastest today are the ones confidently priced for current conditions, not yesterday's highs. For buyers, this shift can be opportunity you've been waiting for. Less competition, more time, better terms. After years of bidding wars, you can finally negotiate without pressure. You can ask for inspections, financing conditions, and a fair value. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, this may be your window to move forward thoughtfully before the next upward shift, because real estate moves in cycles, and once buyers act again, momentum returns quickly. Airdrie's long-term fundamentals remain strong. Population growth continues. Families move here for space, affordability, and community. Schools expand, new amenities open, and infrastructure keeps improving. That stability is what separates a cooling phase from a real downturn. Short-term conditions may ease, but foundation driving Airdrie's growth remains rock solid. So after 25 years in this business, I can tell you this: balanced markets build strongest equity over time. Spikes create excitement, but stability creates wealth. Cooling removes speculation and panic. It restores logic and negotiation. It claims the market so prices can rise substantially instead of artificially. That may not make headlines, but it builds lasting value for homeowners like you. The right move now depends on your personal situation. If you're selling, focus on pricing accuracy and strong marketing. If you're buying, make sure you're financially ready, pre-approved, and informed about your options. Don't let fear from the news of social media make your call. Look at your real numbers, your goals, and where you fit in the current market cycle. The good news, there's opportunity on both sides. Sellers still achieve strong results with smart strategies and good advice. Buyers can actually act without chaos. The key is understanding where we are, a market that's cooling slightly but still healthy, active, and growing. So, to every homeowner in Airdrie wondering what's next, a cooling trend isn't bad news. It's the market catching its breath. These transactions clear out speculation and bring back balance. That's how we keep long-term housing growth strong and sustainable. If you're unsure what this means for you, personally, let's talk. Call me on my direct line 403-561-0037. We'll go through your situation, your numbers, and map out a plan that fits today's reality. Cooling doesn't mean fear. It means opportunity for buyers who are ready, for sellers who adapt. I'm Kevin Baldwin from CIR Realty. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give this video a like. Subscribe for more Alberta real estate updates and share your thoughts in the comments so we can keep the conversation going.